Husbands, fathers, dads, you're crushing your career. Your family loves you and they depend on you. But if you're honest, you do not like what you see in the mirror anymore. You're carrying an extra 20 to 30 plus pounds. Your energy's dropping. Your health feels like it's slipping. You don't even remember the last time you felt lean, you felt sharp or confident without your shirt off. But it's not just about that. It's about how you look, about how you live every day, more importantly. Because when you're running on fumes all day long, looking for the next caffeine shot, crashing on the couch, checking out at night, Netflix, and binge eating whatever you can get your hands on, skipping workout after workout, week after week, and you're just not showing up your best self for those people who matter the most, your spouse, your partner, your kids, people at work. We'll give you the next 3 to 4 minutes, and I'll give you one really simple, easy solution. It only takes a minute to start prioritizing what's important with your health, what you eat, your fitness. Make sure that you're able to be available for those people who matter the most. So if you haven't met me, I'm Coach Brian Piranha. I've actually spent the last 20 to 30 years helping fathers, husbands, high performers get back into shape and reclaim their health, their fitness, their body. And I actually have 4 kids myself. I've been married 19 years, and I know what it's like to be time-strapped and maxed out. But your health still needs to come first, because if you can't take care of you, you can't take care of them. You've got meetings stacked all day. You travel this way and that. You're leading teams, closing deals, solving everybody else's problems. Meanwhile, your gym bag sits in your trunk week after week. Your sneakers right here, they just sit in the carry-on, and your clean eating plan goes more into like clean your plate every opportunity you get. But something inside is shifting. You desire, it's time to finally get those 20 to 30 pounds off, to have more energy for your kids, stop feeling bloated, tired, fatigued, and really frustrated with the man that's staring back at you in the mirror. So, one simple, powerful strategy I teach all my clients. It's the MITs, most important tasks. Before your day takes over, brain dump everything onto paper, your favorite app, whatever. Circle the 3 top MITs, your non-negotiables for work, life, health, and you shift, and it gives you more clarity, control, and direction. You'll see exactly where your time is going and what needs to get cut and optimized. Because if it's not helping you win at work or show up at home or be your best self, then why is it on your list? Check this out. Let me show you some of my MITs in the list. I keep working through this one, even as coffee spilled out. Now it gives me more balance to what I focus on with my business, my family, my personal time. And also, it works. One of my clients, John, he was drowning in busy work, being a business owner of a marine sonar company. He's always on, but never producing and progressing. But once we got him organized with his own MITs, he started realizing how much time he was burning and how much didn't matter. Suddenly, he had time to prep meals and go to the gym and be consistent in his health journey. He ultimately dropped 50 plus pounds over the course of a couple months and started showing up more powerful and impactful. So, if you're serious about dropping the weight, reclaim your energy, and becoming the strongest version of yourself, start with MITs. Get clear, get focused, and make space to actually lead yourself to be the best version of you. Try it. Let me know in the comments how it helps you, because if your body looks good and feels great, you are in the driver's seat of your life.